Hello, my name is... Hello, my name... That's better. Hello, my name is KidWind. I'm a student at Northern Arizona University, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to construct your wind turbine. So to start things off, this middle section, this black part here, this is going to work as your kind of fulcrum, your center of your turbine, and this is where you actually connect your blades. So this here is the middle fulcrum for your nacelle. This is where your blades will kind of just force fit into. And as you can see from this black middle piece, if you want to add or remove the dowels, all you have to do is twist this one way or another to tighten it or loosen it. Then this here is your nacelle, your head of your turbine. Now this could be seen as one of the most important parts of your turbine because this is where you're going to get your power draw from. And the construction behind this, it's just a PVC pipe with a motor inside and then wires coming out the back so you can actually find the power and see what you're generating. And of course that just gets connected on here as such. This here will be your nacelle, your head of your turbine. And this will be what actually collects the power that you'll be registering on your multimeter. You have the actual generator here, the wires coming out the back so you can actually generate it. And then this empty end over here, just to connect it to the rest of the turbine. And aside from that, this is just your tower and your base. And it doesn't have to be any particular shape so long as it holds up your turbine during operation. And that's how you put together the turbine.